Il-Minuta tibda issa. Toby Farrugia, music producer. How did you get into music production?
I've been playing instruments since I was a kid. I started piano when I was 6 years old. Kind of forced to play piano, but it paid off at the end. So
Did you have any self-limiting beliefs that you had to overcome?
there were a lot of challenges, it's tough, especially being in Malta, and back then we didn't even have internet or anything, so it was much harder to get your stuff out there and to interact with crowds and labels and companies.
And what inspires you?
Depends what I'm working on as a project as well. As a person, nature inspires me a lot. You're always stuck in a studio, so the little time I have, I want to spend it outside in nature as much as I can or close by the sea,
Okay, and what works are you working on right now?
I've just produced the song for Moira Staffrac for Musica. I'm working on a number of soundtracks for games as well at the moment. A French artist, German one, a Spanish. So there's a number of people I'm working with at the moment, yeah.